girl, big up yourself. We
Str8yaad
outside.
TV. The food was amazing. 10 out of 10. Of course, one Str8yaad TV. One.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, Str8yaad TV. Today we're gonna make something nice and delicious and epic, guys. Today we're gonna make something special. You know, on a Sunday evening time, guys, when you use up the coconut and you have the trash leaf and all these things back in those days, and we use it to make coconut cake, A.K.A Toto. Oh Lord, I'm gonna make some nice Toto for you guys. A long time I don't bake nothing for you, so we're gonna make some nice Jamaican Toto. So over here, we have our sugar. We have all-purpose flour over here. We have salt over here. We have baking powder over here. We have butter. We have allspice. Okay. We have cinnamon powder. We have rose water. We have vanilla. We have mixed spice. We have good old nutmeg. Now how we go? We have some ginger powder here. I'm going to try and find some real ginger, guys. If I get the real ginger, I'm going to use it. Get the powder. And over here, guys, we have two nice coconuts. So we have the pan here. I'm gonna break them up, and then I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna grate some. I'm gonna blend some, guys. Get some juice. Okay. Yes, guys. See, beautiful. Beautiful. Let me get a cup and drink this water here. Not wasting this water, you know, guys. Can't waste nice coconut water. Okay. Gonna open the next one. I'm gonna drink it. This coconut is well dry now. See that? No heat for breaking up. Very dry. Nice. Very nice and lovely, guys. I'm gonna do open the next one. I'm gonna open the coconut and come right back to you guys. So guys, I'm gonna grate a nice piece of fresh flakes. Fresh coconut flakes. Add it to it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use this part. I mean some that doesn't squeeze out the juice out of it. Give it a richness. Alright my people, so we are going to grate out some fresh flakes and then we get right back to you guys, so stay tuned and watch the video. We're going to make some real Jamaican Toto today, guys. Okay guys, so these are some fresh flakes as I just grated. I'm going to add this with it also. So what we're going to do, I'm going to set on a fire. Finish cut up these coconuts here. And blend up some juice, guys. Make some rich coconut milk. Okay, my peeps. Coconut tastes nice too. Really bone dry. So we'll get the coconut in our blender, you know, my peeps. Here we go. Okay, my people, so here we got the coconut now, some fresh, nice, pretty juice. Let's squeeze them out and strain them out. Yeah, that rich pretty juice, guys. Yeah. I will squeeze them out and strain them out. Guys, we're gonna sit the trash down by itself because we're gonna use the trash back also. Okay, guys. We're not too juicy more, too much neither. Alright guys, so we're gonna juice out the coconut milk and come right back to you guys and show you what's going on. So stay tuned and watch the video, guys. The nice baking video for you guys today. Okay guys, so I'm gonna melt some butter. Here I have my pretty nice white pretty coconut milk. That's like 3 cups of coconut milk, guys. And we're gonna use like about half stick of butter. Half stick, okay guys. We're gonna melt it. Come right back to you guys. Okay guys, so I have my beautiful coconut milk here. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and spice him up. Get him going. And guys, I have the half stick of melted butter here. I'm gonna put it in. Half stick of melted butter. It's going right into the coconut milk, guys. Okay. I'm gonna add 2 cups of sugar, guys. 2 cups. 2 cups of sugar. Okay, guys. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons vanilla. If you have vanilla essence, you could use it too. Almond essence, anything you have, you put it in. So I'm putting 2 tablespoons of vanilla inside it also, guys. Okay, I'm gonna make it nice. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of rose water, my peeps. Right in. And guys, I have mixed spice here in the liquid form. So I'm gonna just put 1 teaspoon in it also. It's gonna be nice, guys. You taste that Toto, yeah? You're gonna wonder. Yes, it's a real Jamaican Toto. Alright guys, so what we are gonna do? We are gonna mix up the wet ingredients and put him down one side. Now we go. Mix him out and put him on now. This is the coconut milk, guys. When I'm baking, I like to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. That's why I have my measurements out today. Okay. You know, I always give you guys good baking videos. All of my baking videos, guys, go and see them on the channel and try them. They're very nice. Guys, what I'm doing, I'm mixing out the sugar in the coconut milk with the butter, the vanilla, mixed spice, rose water. If you have almond essence or almond flavored almond, you could put some into. You use what you have. This is how we bake in the evening time. So especially on the Sunday evening, guys. You want something sweet to eat after Sunday dinner. You have all these trash. You're not gonna make them waste. You're gonna use that trash to make some Toto. Make some good Jamaican Toto, guys. Yeah, alright, so Right now, we are going to put this pan over here, put the wet ingredients one side, guys. Okay? And we are going to start dealing with the dry ingredients. Okay? Let me dry out my mixture cup. Okay guys, so we have some all-purpose flour here guys. So we're gonna go in with like about 5 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cups guys. We're in 5 cups of flour. All-purpose flour guys, okay? Now we're going in with 1 cup of fresh grated coconut flakes. This one doesn't juice as it guys. Put him inside there. Okay. Over here we're going in with 2 cups of this trash that we juice already. Okay? So I measure out 2 cups for you guys. Over here. Show you exactly what I'm doing. See? 1 cup of this, one with this trash out. One with this juice out. Call this the trash. This Toto gonna be so nice guys, trust me. Follow the step, follow the ingredients, you can't go wrong. You know, typically sometimes we don't even have all of these ingredients sometimes and still come out nice. See the guys, 2 cups. So basically 3 cups of trash I use guys. 1 of fresh that doesn't squeeze and 2 of the one that squeeze already. Okay? So basically I use, see that? And this is the trash that leaves to, I could just use it because it doesn't make no difference because it's just a crumble. Okay? That's not gonna stop. So 3 cups of trash are flakes. And guys, remember you can use the flakes from the store, the fresh grated flakes from the store too. Use the coconut milk in the can if you don't have the fresh coconut, but I will advise you to use the fresh coconut, it's always better. And you can use the flakes that they sell in the store also. Grated coconut flakes, you can use that too if you don't get the real coconut. It still could come out good. But I'm doing it from scratch, the real way guys, okay? I'm giving you the real thing here. Okay? From scratch. You know that's how we do the thing all the time. Str8yaad TV, we don't play. You know how we stay guys, so stay tuned and watch the video guys. I'm gonna get my piece of ginger ready because I have to have a piece of ginger in it also. Like about a teaspoon of ginger. So stay tuned and watch what I'm going guys. Okay my beautiful people, so over here I have 2 teaspoons of fresh grated nutmeg guys. Here is it, I just grated out a while ago. See, we get the measurement, everything is yoke. See? So guys, 1. Don't have to hide until the end. See? 2. You just drop off in there, okay? So that's 2 teaspoons of grated, fresh grated nutmeg guys. Okay, so 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, fresh grated. I'm gonna give you 2 teaspoons of allspice. 1. 2. Okay. And then we have cinnamon powder. We're gonna give you 2 teaspoons also. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder guys. 1, 2. Okay. So this is basically, and then we're gonna go in with 1 teaspoon of salt, guys. Mash out the salt. 1 teaspoon of salt, guys. Don't want the salt to over the limit. 1 teaspoon of salt. Last but not least, okay guys, baking powder. So I'm going in with 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2. Okay, my pips. That's the dry ingredients we got there. Okay guys, so stay tuned and watch what I go on. We're gonna give you some nice baking today, guys. This one is gonna be so nice. It's a long time I don't bake nothing for you guys. I'm gonna give you some nice Jamaican Toto. This one is gonna be off the hook. You know, it's Sunday evening time, guys. It's a nice little bit of taste, but taste, you know, nice piece of dessert. Some nice juice after eat dinner. Yes, guys, something like that I'm gonna make for you right now. So stay tuned and watch the video. I'm gonna clean up my piece of ginger and come right back to you, guys. Okay, my wonderful people. I'm gonna put some little bit more baking powder in it. More baking powder in it. I'm gonna put 2 more. I'm supposed to use 2 tablespoons, not 2 teaspoons. I'm gonna put 2 more. Add it up to the 2 tablespoons. That's what we need. 2 tablespoons of baking powder, guys. Okay. Some people add baking soda also. You could put baking soda also with it too. You don't have to. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mix this up, mix it out, and then I'm gonna add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, guys. And at this point I'm gonna start to preheat my oven 350, stick in my Toto. My Toto is supposed to take like 45 to 50 minutes, guys. Ready, tops. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go in now with the wet ingredients, my peeps. All this beautiful coconut milk and all these things there, see I just mix. Yeah, that is it. Going in right now. Right now. Right now. Yes, my peeps, everything are going. Okay? 3 cups of coconut milk are going. Everything. Right in. Everything I'm going to finish mix out the sugar, you know? Yeah. Everything I'm going right in, no joke. This Toto gonna be so nice and delicious, guys. So nice. Trust me. It's so nice. Guys, this texture is really nice. Trust me. When this Toto come out, it's gonna be so good. That's why I'm giving you the instructions step by step, guys. So you just do it at home and know it's gonna come out the right and proper way like this. See? Same exact way like this, guys. See that? Yeah. What we're talking about. And so guys, if the batter is nice, anything you baking is always gonna be nice. So it's good for you to just sometimes just rub your finger on it and just taste it raw. Exactly what it missed, the ginger, guys. Never remember my ginger. Here's my ginger, I have to put it in. It's a must. This is a must, guys. You have to have ginger or ginger powder. If you don't have the ginger, you could use ginger powder also, okay? So I'm gonna add my ginger, my fresh grated ginger. Like about a teaspoon of ginger, I'm adding. Give it that kick, guys. I know it missed something. All this time I say I'm gonna get my ginger. And I almost forget it. No, man. Can't go some. Can't go some, please. Yeah. This is like a fresh grated ginger, guys. Like a teaspoon of ginger. Fresh grated ginger. Okay. Yeah, my peeps, that is what we're talking about. Fresh grated ginger. This is why you gotta taste your butter. Taste your butter, guys. Once you're making a butter to make something, taste it. And you know exactly if you have everything or you miss anything or if you need to step up something more. But this mixture I'm giving you, guys, is nice. Trust me, you don't need nothing more than this. Like I say, if you don't have the fresh ginger, you can use ginger powder. Okay, guys? So right now, this is it, guys. I'm gonna sit it down on one side. I'm gonna preheat the oven 350, and I'm gonna grease my pan and get ready, guys. So stay tuned for that. Generally, we have some round pan to make it in, but we don't have too much, so we're gonna drop them in our square pan, them guys. You know how we go. So stay tuned. Watch what go on. As soon as the oven get preheat, guys, I'm gonna stick them in. Come right back to you and grease the pan and show you what I want. I'm gonna clean up and come right back to you. Okay, my people, so the oven is already getting preheating. So what I'm gonna do, grease my pan, just like that. Stick in this wonderful Toto, and watch what I want. So nice, boys and girls. It's gonna be so delicious. Alright, my people. So I'm gonna get some stuff in the pan right away. Right away. No delay. No joke. It's gonna be a nice Toto, guys. Okay, my peeps, so this is it. Then I'm gonna stick it in the oven when done, guys, and let you guys see what's going on. So stay tuned. As soon as the oven gets hot, come right back to you guys. Put it in the oven and let you guys see what's going on. Ready to go now, guys. This is gonna be a nice and delicious Toto, guys. Do it the same way, guys. Perfect result each time, guys. Okay? So watch Str8yaad TV, and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Help the channel to grow. We are in this, we are one family, one love. And all the people in Jamaica who get hit by the hurricane, we love you guys. We know we are going to pull through. Stay strong. One Str8yaad TV. Okay, guys, so that is a beautiful Toto. I'm going to put it in the oven now, guys. The oven is at 350 and it's already preheat, guys. So I'm going to stick him in for you guys. And like I said, 45 minutes to 50 minutes tops, guys. So I'm going to put it in the oven. Okay? Yeah, oven is real hot, guys. I'm gonna put him in right now, my pips. I don't know how it go. 45 to 50 minutes, we're done. So stay tuned and watch what's going on, guys, because this Toto I'm putting in the oven is gonna be off the chain, guys. So remember, thumbs up this video, guys, when you're watching it. Share the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel, my people. Help the channel to grow. One Str8yaad TV in the kitchen with this thing, guys. Okay, guys, so let's check out the Toto and see what's going on. Okay, guys, let's pull it out and see what's going on, guys. I'm gonna take a good look on it. Him. Coming on, nice and decent, guys. I should have a little bit bigger pan. I have a little fall off well, so because it fell over. So anyway, we have like a next 20 minutes time and then we finish, guys. So stay tuned and watch the video, guys. I'll show you when we finish and we come out totally ready. Okay? So stay tuned and watch the video, guys. The Toto looking fine. It's coming on perfect. Okay, guys, so let's check on the Toto now and see what's going on. This nice coconut cake, guys. Look at it. This is what we're talking about. You see him, guys? Yeah. Have a little bigger pan down better. Looking good. Okay. Okay. Looking good. Yeah, nice. And have a little flakes on the outside and the inside is moist. Okay. So guys, we're gonna take him out now, guys. It's now 50 minutes. 50 minutes right here, okay? That is it. You need a little bigger pan, guys. They have a little fell over, but don't worry about it. Still come out nice and sweet. You hear that, guys? So what I'm doing, I'm rubbing some melted butter on it, guys. Keep it moist and soft. Okay? That's all I'm doing to it right now, guys. And then we're gonna sit it down to cool for like 20 minutes before we cut it. Yeah, but this Toto smells nice and delicious, guys. You smell it. I know it's gonna be so nice. It's gonna be so nice, guys. Trust me. Nice and moist. So guys, right now we're gonna make him cool for like a 20 minutes and then we're gonna dig in it for you guys. So stay tuned, watch the video, guys, and remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, guys. This Toto is off the hook, guys. I only do want a little bit of bigger pan so we don't have all these rising. Okay? Should I follow my mind and do it in two separate pan? But it's okay, it's all good same way. Very cook. Everything is done, baked properly. Trust me, it's nice, guys. So stay tuned, and remember, we're gonna dig in it for you later, so one Str8yaad TV. So, okay, my viewers and my subscribers, guys, it was a turn on nice, guys. It approximately take me 50 minutes, guys, fully take it out, okay? And this will happen. Have a nice Toto, guys. We're gonna cut it up and dig in it for you guys. Okay, my people, you know I can't wait to make it cool. Can't hear the guys? Yeah. Coconut cake, yeah. Toto, yeah. Guys, can't wait. Going on it. I know it's hot, you know, guys, but just can't wait to go in on it. Hot, you know, guys. Guys, guys, it's hot, but the flavor up. It's nice. Trust me, nice, guys. It's nice. Try that home, guys. Come out with very good result. This Toto here, otherwise known as coconut cake, is so nice, guys. Trust me. Man. Guys, look at him. See? Nice inside. Soft and nice. And guys, it's hot. Yes, my people. Guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. This one is off the hook. Try it at home. Good result, guys. Str8yaad TV, you know how to do it. One love. We out.